Hello, today I'm going to show you how you can do a hard reset on any of your Apple AirPods. So this is going to work on all of the generations. You're just going to use this little button on the back. So let me go ahead and first show you this. If I open up these AirPods, they are currently connected to this phone. So I'm going to get this little message that, they're just automatically paired to this phone. But let's say that you're selling this or you're giving it away to a friend and you want to basically disconnect it from this phone. Well, you have this little button on the back here. Let me see if you can show us up right there. It's a little button like this. We can go ahead and do a long hold on this, right? And you want to look for that light to pop up. Wait for it to go away. Once it's gone away, now it has been reset. So now when I open it up near this phone, I'm gonna get a different little screen preview that's asking me to connect it. And that's how we know that we have successfully done a hard reset on the Apple AirPods. Hopefully this helped you out. If it did, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.